Hey everyone, in today's video we are creating these super cool videos which are totally explained tutorial and easy to make. So let's start. So first let's just not light. Let's add the solid of black color. And this is what I always do. I click on here and I add title and then I add rulers. So zoom in the middle and then just drag the rulers. So it will give you middle anchor, so it will be easy for you to like put everything in the middle. So let's see. The first thing is this LinkedIn logo. So let's search LinkedIn logo png. Okay, okay, don't mind my other YouTube tabs. I am doing some things, so please. So let's add the logo and click on bg remove, so it will remove this transparent kind of bg. Zoom it and download it without background, transparent background, and then current page, because we only need this logo. Oh wait, let's not just this logo, we also need sparkle. As you can see here, these are sparkles. So let's search apple sparkle emoji. Okay, not water, sparkling emoji. Okay, this one, perfect. So let's let it load so it comes in full HD, or maybe just click here. Let's see, this is also good. Okay, I think this one is way better, so let's just copy it and paste it here, and let's just delete the background. I think this will work. Okay, this is good. So let's just download it without background and download both pages. So let's add both of them on the screen. Make it around this size, not too much. Okay, now for the sparkle you can make like 4 or 5 copies. I will make 4 only, not too much, and let's make all of them 3D, so it will be easy to handle them somewhere. And play with the position, Z position. Okay, so it will give you 3D kind of look. Put some here, next maybe here, put it backward, or let's make it small. Just play with the settings, doesn't have to be too hard or something that really complicated. Just have to be something really nice and really attractive, something. I guess this will work. Okay, now color them all with the same color. Choose any color and let's give them rotation keyframe on z-axis. So something here, let's give him different rotation. For this one this, for this one I will give this. Not too much, smooth rotation, smooth, not too much. Okay, something like this. So it looks something like this. Okay, this is too slow, so let's put the keyframe near. Okay, this is good. Now let's add a camera. Okay, put it this one here, and let's add Gaussian blur to this one because it's big. So let's make it kind of blurry, and also to this one let's make it little bit kind of this blurry. And I forgot to add gradient ramp, not this one. Okay, this one to black solid, and for the white we will choose here, you can choose this color, little dark, something like this, and then make a radial ramp and make sure the purple is in between, is in the center, something like this. And do this, make sure the purple is way too dark, we don't need light, something like this. Okay, this is good. Now make a keyframe, not now, let's add the bar going up. So let's make this. Okay, make something like this, and we can add the curves later. So now fill should be none, and it should be something bright, around 25 I guess. To make this curve, just hold alt while selecting pen and just click, just click and click and click. Now obviously you can make them more smooth like as you want, it depends upon you. Like this, something like this. Okay, and for its shadow I will use this plugin called Shadow Studio. So it will give you this kind of look. Let me share it with you. Make sure it's behind everything, so give it the color of purple, something. Let's see. Wait, is my composition setting different? Okay, yeah, it should be in the classic 3D when you are putting efforts. So let's make it here 180 straight, and softness should be same. The length should be somewhere here, and the opacity should be I guess 50 will looks good. Okay, this is looking good, and it should be a little bit more dark somewhere here. Now let's add trim path, so it should look something like this. Let's see. Okay, this is good. Let's make peak on the left. Okay, and for now for the LinkedIn, use fill, use black color, and now let's add light sweep. For the light sweep, make sure the sweep intensity is 0, but the width should be good amount, the edge intensity should be good, and the width should be somewhere here. Now let's make it purple as the background or as the stroke. I guess this is little dark. Okay, this is good. This is good. Now duplicate it. The direction should be opposite, like literally opposite, somewhere here as you can see, and it should be little light color somewhere like pink. And yeah, create it again for both, something like this in the ground, and for this one I will make something like this. Now here you can add direction, and it does not matter what direction you move them, it should just look catchy. Okay, so here they should come here, this one should come here, this one should come here, and this one should come here. So let's see. Look how good this is looking. Good. Look, I think this one should be somewhere here, as we are going to add little bit camera movement. That's why I said to add position keyframe on sparkle emojis, so it will give you 3D look. Let's see. Okay, this is looking good. Now let's add effects. First add deep glow on the LinkedIn logo, make it 0.05, or I think we should make it 0.1, as this is the main logo. And one thing you can also do is let's create a duplicate of this, delete all the light sweeps and deep glow, add Gaussian blur and bump it up Gaussian blur, so it give you drop shadow. Or you can also just click here and make a rectangle here. So wait, while using mask, make a rectangle here, invert it and give it little bit feather, so it will not go behind the logo, but it should continue. Look somewhere here. Look how good this is looking. Now let's add deep glow to these things. I will add 0.05 and drop shadow. Drop shadow should be 100, around 15 in distance, and around 150 in softness. Select all of them and paste all of these. Now let's add deep glow again last time on this, and I think 0.03 will work. Now let's add an adjustment layer, add CC vignette, and I guess 140 will work. Okay, this is looking cool. So let's see. Look how good this is looking. You can animate it by as you want. This is just a simple animation, so I created. So let's create new animation. So let's add new composition, and I think only 10 seconds will be good for that one. Now let's add the rulers again. This is I do all the time for these rulers. Okay, all the time. So let's add the black and the video again, so to see what we are going to do. From now you can delete the gradient and maybe add fill of white color, pure white, something like this. And let's add the logo again of LinkedIn and make sure all the things are deleted, so we only need logo. Now you can do one thing, as the color is super dull, let's just add brightness, because the color is super dull, I don't want this much dull, and do this. And I think yeah, do this. So this is looking good. Now let's add a scale keyframe and rotation keyframe. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Add good amount of rotation, something like this, around 90%, and make it 0 on the scale. Click on bouncer, the plugin, and then just select it, and then you will see this. And while this happens, let's add a circle, make it around bigger than the logo. Add this, use darker color for the stroke, and for the fill we will choose this color but lighter version, something that's more close to white. Okay, I think the stroke is little bit more dark, way too dark. Okay, make it in the center behind the logo. And now I think it's still too dark. In the something like this will work, very little kind of color. Okay, so when it's come here, click on scale, push it somewhere here, hit on T, push it somewhere here, again hit on, make a keyframe on scale, and in between make a keyframe on T, and from here make a scale on 0, and here make T 0%. So it should look something like this. I will show you. Look. Okay, now just copy and paste another. You can make it fast. Okay, you can make it really fast somewhere here, so it comes fast. So once it's come, there should be a cursor. So let's download the cursor. Just search cursor and choose this one, any cursor you want. I'm choosing this one, and let's download without background. Now before we animate the cursor, let's create another thing. Let's add rounded rectangle. Oh, we need another thing. Let's search on person, because we need a profile pic kind of thing. I think this one will work. Let's select this and make this gray, and then download without background as usual. Let's add this, also hide this, and change the color so we know which this is. Let's make a rectangle. It should be little bit of white something here, and I think this is too much roundness, so I think 40 will looks good. Okay, this is good. Now let's add this here somewhere here, and now let's make lines, and these lines represent text, so it's just lines, something like this. So it's kind of dark type of line. Just copy this and make sure the properties scale, this is unlinked, so make it something like this. Every anchor should be in center. Make another line, and put it somewhere here. You can do as you want. I'm just showing you the work we have to do. So make all of these motion blur and pre-compose this. After pre-composing, make it wait. We did a mistake. Take the background too, and after taking this, make it as small as this, as the LinkedIn. This okay, and it should be behind the LinkedIn. As you can see, we removed the background, so the background of LinkedIn also removed. So let's just make a rectangle, not a mask, rectangle with white color, and just put it behind the LinkedIn. Change the color to same and just parent it to LinkedIn. Simple. Don't have to overcomplicate things, bro. Okay, while this is behind it, let's do one thing. Wait, not now, somewhere here. Also let's make it look here, make it this small and add rotation. Also make this behind the logo. It should come from here, so make a keyframe here. Once it reached here, select both of them. Easy is make a peak in the left. Let's see, it's way too fast, so let's see. Once it reached, just after one frame, leave the one frame, put it position frame and also on the pre-configured. So let's make it come here, somewhere here. Okay, I think it's way too fast, so let's make it slow. Let's see. Once it's come here, make duplicate of this and make sure those duplicates don't have position keyframe, because we already created the keyframe here, so the properties is also there. Just make lots of duplicates. I create 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, we created 12 and now let's, I think more needed, 13 14 15. So this is the one with position and this is the last one. For the last one, we will create it somewhere here. Select all of them and align and hit here. Okay, there's no gap, so which is a good thing. We can put I guess this one right here. Okay, select all of them and again do this. I think it's still okay. It's good now. Okay, it's good. So let's add the keyframe, not keyframe. Let's make all of these 3D. All of these, hit on position for the position keyframe on all these and make sure the keyframes are here. Hit P on this, choose this one and hit on all of these. Okay, and make it peak in the left. So when it comes here, make sure all these are deleted, so you can only see this one, and when it's here it should come here. Okay, and when it should come here, we will add key position in the middle of these keyframes of here somewhere when it's completely gone. So let's okay, don't make the solid 3D, and then make drop, come down and increase the Z position. Okay, and make it go outside the frame. So I will show you how it will look. Let me just add the text so the animation will be completed. So now let's add the text first. 2026, make it Helvetica. I'm using Helvetica medium italic. Make it big, somewhere here. I think bold italic looks good. Yes, and make it 3D, and let's see where it is. It's somewhere here, so let hit on position and make sure it's in the frame. Make it in the center and let's somewhere here and somewhere here animate this. I have bounce characters, so you can choose any you want. It depends up to you. Somewhere here, okay, this is looking good. Now let's add a 4 color gradient. Add gradient like this, as same as I'm doing, okay, something like this. Now add shadow studio and make sure it's only around 50, so it will looks good. Now add motion blur on all of them and let's see how it will look. Okay, this is fast, way too fast, so something I guess this word. Okay, this is looking good, so let's see. Wait, let it load and let's see it now. Okay, look how good this is looking. These are some simple techniques you can use to level up your editing. And yes, this was a tutorial. Make sure to subscribe and also share this video with your fellow editors and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.